Hello everyone. Today we will learn some more rubrics from Kent's repertory, which contain only one remedy. But in recent repertory, so many other remedies are added to some of these rubrics, so that you can safely use these rubrics from recent repertories. In previous video, we have seen some 16 rubrics. So the next rubric is answers spoken to when yet knows no one. Only remedy is Sikuta. We will read this as answers when spoken to yet knows no one. As we all know, cicuta acts on nervous system and produces all types of spasmodic affections like convulsions. Cicuta is also there under rubric recognizes does not his relatives. So this means that when he is sick, when he suffers from convulsions, he does not know or recognize anyone. But when spoken, he answers. Then next rubric is anxiety evening bed in amulorate. In Kent's repertory, only mag carb is there for 2 marks. In synthesis, ammonium carb is also added. Next rubric is anxiety evening bed in closing the eyes on. Only remedy is mag miraticum. When the patient is in bed and he closes his eyes, he feels anxious. Then next is anxiety evening bed in exercise from violent. Only remedy is oxalic acid. We can read this as anxiety evening in bed from violent exercise. Then next is anxiety alternating with indifference. Only remedy is natrum muraticum. So what is indifference? It is lack of interest, concern or sympathy. Only remedy is natrum muraticum. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पेशेंट अपने डिजीज़ के बारे में बहुत एंशियस हो जाता है, बहुत चिंता करता है और फिर कुछ दिनों बाद इंडिफरेंट हो जाता है. फिर उसे ट्रीटमेंट में इन्वेस्टिगेशन करवाने में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं रहता, उसे कोई कंसर्न नहीं रहता, वो डिसीज़ के बारे में फिर बात ही नहीं करता. फिर कुछ दिनों बाद वो फिर से एंशियस हो जाता है, फिर से उसमें एंजाइटी डेवलप हो जाती है. नाउ एंटीम टार्ट एंड हीरोइनम आर एडेड. Then next rubric is anxiety anger during. Only remedy is sepia. When this patient becomes angry, she feels anxiety. She becomes restless and there is palpitation. Patient बोलते हैं कि जब भी मुझे गुस्सा आता है तब मुझे बहुत बेचैनी घबराहट होती है. Now capsicum, carcinosin and veratrum are also added to this rubric. The next rubric is anxiety apparition from horrible while awake. Only remedy is zincum met. So what is apparition? Apparition is a ghost or ghost-like image of a person. So zinc has delusion that he is accused, he has committed crime and he is pursued by police. Delusion devil is after him and he will be murdered and feels very anxious when he thinks about this. Now camphora is also added to this rubric. The next rubric is anxiety ascending steps on. Only remedy is nitric acid. In synthesis, arsenic, iodum, onosmodium and oxalic acid are added. Next rubric is anxiety bathing the feet after. Only remedy is natrum carb. After bathing the feet, patient gets symptoms of anxiety like restlessness, palpitation. The next rubric is anxiety chagrin after. Only remedy is lycopodium. So what is chagrin? Annoyance or distress at having failed or been humiliated. हिंदी में बोलते हैं चिढ़. To humiliate is to reduce someone to a lower position in one's own eyes or others' eyes, to make someone ashamed or embarrassed. As lycopodium is under egotism, has dictatorial nature, when he fails or is humiliated, he becomes anxious. In synthesis, cross-reference of anxiety mortification after is given. Next rubric is anxiety children about his. Only remedy is acetic acid. So many patient has this anxiety. This is a very common feeling. Hence now so many remedies are added. Like important are arsenicum and sulfur. Then next is Anxiety children when lifted from the cradle. Only remedy is calcarea phos for 2 marks. When the baby is lifted from the cradle, there is anxious expression on face of a baby, like frowning or baby starts. Lifting is upward motion, but now calcarea calm and borax are also added. Borax is indicated in fear of downward motion, but it is also added in this rubric. The next is anxiety church bells from hearing. Only remedy is lycinum. Then anxiety caution after. Only remedy is sepia. Sepia woman is very tired, full of cares about domestic affairs. In latter stages, she becomes weary of life, becomes indifferent to everything. She develops aversion to caution, but she is forced to do it. And this is the main feeling of sepia woman, that she is forced to do what she doesn't want to do. Hence, caution produces anxiety in her. Now, carboanimalis, kali carb, phosphoric acid are also added. Then next rubric is anxiety caution after thought of in a woman. Only remedy is creosote. Even thought of caution produces anxiety because in creosotum all the discharges are excoriating and it has hemorrhagic tendency. There is a bleeding from each and every orifice and even small wounds bleed easily and they burn. Hence, even after caution, there is bleeding from vagina. And vagina burns during caution. Hence, it produces anxiety in a woman of creosotum. Next rubric is anxiety cold becoming from. Only remedy is mancinella. And now, carbolic acid, nux vomica and sorinum are also added. Then next rubric is anxiety continence prolonged from. Only remedy is conium for 2 marks. So what is continence? It is the ability to control movements of the bowels and bladder. And second meaning is self-restraint, especially with regard to sex. Dr. Kent in his Materia Medica mentions about conium, mental symptoms, nervous symptoms, trembling in widows and widowers who have suddenly been deprived of their sexual relations. Conium also indicated in frequent urging to stool. And if patient has to control it, then he develops anxiety. The next rubric is anxiety cough before attack of whooping cough. Only remedy is cuprum. As cough of cuprum comes in long violent paroxysms, it comes in attacks and hence patient develops anxiety before attack. Then next rubric is anxiety cruelties after hearing of. Only remedy is calcarea. Calcarea carb for 2 marks. Calcarea is full of fears and anxieties and horrible things, sad stories affect them profoundly. So what is cruelty? Cruelty is a behavior which causes physical or mental harm to another, whether intentionally or not. तो ये पेशेंट जब किसी के बारे में बुरा सुनते हैं, जैसे किसी का मर्डर हो गया, किसी को चोरों ने पीटा या चाइल्ड अब्यूज़ के बारे में सुनते हैं, तो ये बातें उनके मन पर बहुत गहरा असर करती है और ये बात जल्दी निकलती नहीं है उनके मन से. वो बहुत एंशियस फील करते हैं, उन्हें पाल्पिटेशन होने लगता है, वो रेस्टलेस हो जाते हैं, बेचैन हो जाते हैं. Now carcinosin is also added to this rubric. The next rubric is anxiety dinner during. Only remedy is mag muraticum. Then anxiety dinner after amulorate. Only remedy is sulfur for 1 mark. Then next is anxiety drinking after. Only remedy is Cimex. Now pulsatilla is also added to this rubric. The next rubric is anxiety eating while warm food is. Only remedy is mag carb. The next is anxiety exercise amulorate. Tarantula hispanicum, because tarantula has very high energy, loves dancing, he is industrious, desires activities and hence his anxiety is ameliorated by exercise. Now chelidonium, iodum are also added. The next rubric is anxiety exertion of eyes from, and only remedy is sepia.